Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English with Friends. I am Jessica, and I am so happy you are here today. We are going to practice simple English conversation for beginners and improve our speaking skills together.
Hello, friends. I am Leo. It is great to see you again. Today we will talk about your neighborhood. This is a very useful topic because everyone lives somewhere. We will learn how to describe the place where you live using simple English sentences.
Before we start, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps our channel and supports more learners to find easy English lessons.
Yes, and remember, the lesson will follow listen, discuss, listen again. First you listen, then we explain vocabulary. Then you listen again and try to repeat or answer. Let's make learning fun and easy.
Leo, let's start by explaining the word neighborhood. A neighborhood is the area around your home. It is the place near your house or apartment. It includes your street, the shops near you, maybe a park, maybe a school, maybe a market. It is the place where you live your daily life.
Exactly, Jessica. A neighborhood can be quiet or busy, small or big, modern or old, friendly or loud. Today, we will teach you how to describe your neighborhood clearly, step by step.
Let's start with some simple vocabulary, friends. Repeat after us. Park, store, market, street, near, far, apartment, house, quiet, busy, cafe, library, playground, pharmacy, bakery, police station, hospital.
Great! Let's make simple sentences with these words. I live near a park. There is a store on my street. I go to the market on Saturdays. My street is quiet. There is a library near my home.
You can also use there is and there are. For example, there is a small cafe near my house. There are many trees in my neighborhood.
Perfect, Jessica. Now let's begin the listen section. Just listen. Do not repeat yet. Relax and focus on the words.
Leo, tell me about your neighborhood.
My neighborhood is very friendly. There are many trees and there is a small park near my house. I like walking in the park in the evening. There is also a small store on my street. I buy bread and milk there. My neighborhood is quiet in the morning but busy in the afternoon. I enjoy living here.
My neighborhood is also friendly. There is a big supermarket near my house, so shopping is easy. There is a bus stop near my home, so traveling is simple. My street is quiet and clean. There's also a small cafe, and I go there on weekends. I like my neighborhood too.
Great! That was the listen part. Now let's discuss the sentences one by one, slowly, so everything is clear.
When Leo said, "My neighborhood is very friendly." Friendly means the people are kind. They are nice, polite, and warm.
Then I said, there are many trees and there is a small park. It means the area has nature, green spaces, fresh air.
Next, Leo said, "I like walking in the park in the evening." Evening means the time between the afternoon and night. It is usually calm and cool.
Then I said, there is a small store on my street. It means I can buy food or things easily. I do not need to walk far.
Next, we talked about quiet and busy. Quiet in the morning means not much noise. Busy in the afternoon means many people and cars later in the day.
Then about my neighborhood with a supermarket and bus stop. It means the place is convenient. It is easy to shop and easy to travel.
And I said, there is a small cafe near my home. A cafe is a small place where you can drink tea, coffee, and relax.
Great! Now that you understand more, let's do the listen again part.
This time, try to say the sentences in your mind. Ready?
Leo, tell me about your neighborhood.
My neighborhood is very friendly. There are many trees and there is a small park near my house. I like walking in the park in the evening. There is also a small store on my street. I buy bread and milk there. My neighborhood is quiet in the morning but busy in the afternoon. I enjoy living here.
My neighborhood is also friendly. There is a big supermarket near my house, so shopping is easy. There is a bus stop near my home, so traveling is simple. My street is quiet and clean. There's also a small cafe, and I go there on weekends. I like my neighborhood too. Great!
Now you can talk about your neighborhood, but don't stop there. Let's expand the conversation and go deeper so you have more examples and ideas.
Let's talk about city neighborhoods. City neighborhoods usually have tall buildings, many people, many cars, and many stores. You can say, my neighborhood is busy. There are many restaurants. There are buses all day. It is loud but exciting.
Town neighborhoods are smaller, less busy. You can say, my neighborhood is calm. There are some shops and a school. People know each other. The streets are safe.
Village neighborhoods are quiet, natural. You can say, my neighborhood is peaceful. There are trees, animals, fields. There are not many cars. I like the quiet life.
Great. Let's learn more vocabulary. Playground, pharmacy, bakery, police station, hospital, bank, post office, cinema, restaurant.
Repeat some sentences after me. There is a pharmacy near my house. There is a bakery on my street. There is a library near my home. There is a playground next to the park. My neighborhood is very safe. My neighborhood is clean and quiet.
Now, let's do another longer, natural conversation. Dear learners, just listen.
Leo, what is your favorite place in your neighborhood?
My favorite place is the park because it is big and green. I like to walk there in the morning. It helps me feel fresh and happy. I also like the little cafe near the park. The people there are friendly and the drinks are good.
That sounds nice. My favorite place is the library near my home. It is quiet and comfortable. I like reading there on weekends. There is also a bakery across the street. The bread smells amazing.
Libraries and bakeries make a neighborhood feel warm and cozy.
Yes, I agree. Now, dear learners, we will break this down. Favorite place means the place you like most. Big and green means the park has trees and nature. Fresh means clean air and a good feeling. Let's listen again, but this time you try to think of your own neighborhood. What is your favorite place in your neighborhood?
My favorite place is the library and the bakery.
My favorite place is the park and the cafe.
Great! You are doing so well, dear learners. We are proud of your progress.
Now, let's do a small speaking test. I will ask questions and you try to answer. Ready?
Question 1. Is your neighborhood quiet or busy? Question 2. What places are near your house? Question 3. What is your favorite place in your neighborhood?
Excellent. If you answered, you are practicing and improving.
Now, dear friends, it is time to wrap up the lesson. Let's review quickly.
You learned vocabulary like park, store, market, street, near, far, apartment, house, quiet, busy, bakery, library, playground, pharmacy, bakery, police station, hospital.
You practiced describing your neighborhood using simple sentences.
You listened to conversations, learned new phrases, and repeated them.
And now we have a community question for you. What is the first thing you do in the morning? Write your answer in the comments. We love reading your answers.
Thank you for listening. You did an amazing job today. Keep practicing your English, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Stay happy and keep learning.